Hey, welcome back, viewers. How you guys doing? It's Saturday morning. All right, so what we have here is this damaged gutter. One of those Amazon drivers or UPS guys, they pretty much damaged this gutter right here. They backed into it. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that for these customers. Let's go ahead and time this thing. I think we can get it done in an hour and a half. Go ahead and time this. Check back in with us. All right, guys, so we went in and got these screws unscrewed, apparently, our bracket. Trying to unscrew that. Was jammed in there, so we just broke it with a hammer. We went ahead and got this unscrewed. There's another screw in there that's preventing that. So we're gonna go ahead and break this seal. That's really the best way to disconnect this continuous gutter. This is a seamless gutter. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it at this seal and then get that popped out. That's the best way to take these apart in their joints.